Hello, little explorers! Welcome to the wild African savanna, home of the mighty lion, also known as the king of the jungle. Lions are big cats just like tigers and leopards, but they're special because they live together in families called prides. A pride can have up to 30 lions. That's a big, roaring family. In a pride, the male lions have big, fluffy manes around their heads like a royal crown, and the female lions, called lionesses, are the amazing hunters of the group. Lionesses work together as a team to catch their food. They hunt animals like zebras, buffaloes, and antelopes. They're super sneaky, moving quietly, step by step until they pounce. But did you know lions love to sleep a lot? They can rest for up to 20 hours a day. That's because hunting takes a lot of energy. So, when they're not hunting, they're relaxing, cuddling, or just enjoying the sunshine. Here come the lion cubs. Aren't they adorable? Cubs love to play, fight, chase, and tumble around. It's how they learn to hunt when they grow up. Their moms take care of them, while the pride protects them from danger. Most lions live in Africa, especially in grassy plains and open woodlands. But a few lions, called Asiatic lions, live in India in a forest called the Gir Forest. Here are some roaring fun facts about lions. A lion's roar can be heard from up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles, away. Lions are the only cats that live in groups. A lion can run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, but only for short bursts. Male lions' manes get darker as they grow older. Lions communicate by roaring, purring, and even rubbing heads to show affection. The male lion guards the pride and keeps them safe from other animals. His deep roar warns others, "This is my family and my land." Lions are truly amazing creatures, strong, smart, and full of heart. They play an important role in nature, keeping the balance of life in the wild. So next time you see a lion, remember, they're not just fierce hunters, but caring family members too. Thanks for joining us on this roaring adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun animal stories.